skills, and such additional facts by category. I still love this line. I still love this line. It's my favorite one so far. It's my real height. I can provide witness testimony upon request. Who the frick cares about witness testimony? Just freaking give proof. But I'm not offering proof. I'm offering witness testimony. So screw them. It's hilarious. I think we're gonna split it. I need to split this into two categories so that I can have different charts. Next to columns. Wait, can I just go like this and then go insert more breaks? Manual row break? No, column break. That didn't do anything, so. That didn't do anything. Two columns from new line. New line in cells by a tab. Put the text using the data text to columns command. Mm. What is that? Hmm. Do I need to do table? Go like that. Then table properties. Style none. None. Okay. Nope. Custom thickness. Nope, that's backward now. It's inverted. It's not resetting. Oh, no, it did. It did. Adding properties. What is this? By top. Save it vertically. So to write it. Formula. Table properties. I can make them yellow. That would work. I can make the borders yellow. That's funny and actually really, really good. Really, really smart. It didn't work. There we go. Okay. That's good. Let's grab this. Computer science. Do I need to put a table in a table? Can I nest tables? So you get the formatting I want? I'm sure that's what I need. Actually, no. You know what I can do instead? Insert rows below. What? What? Clear formatting. Yeah, just like that. It's got a line. It's got a line, and I don't know what to do with it. I actually do need special formatting characters to be shown, because otherwise I don't know where I'm working.
Almost anything you could imagine. Little dots. Little dots. Capable of anything practical. All conventional uses. And more. There we go. What? Is that not in the table? It is. Okay. Does it have to do with this? Does I hit this button? No. How do I add the next item in the list? I'm going to delete. Delete those. Insert rows below. Clear formatting, clear formatting. Number 9. Why does it say number 9? Do you have any idea what you're... Is it because I'm that deep? Second. Second, no. What do I say? Yeah. Because that's a different... Why? 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 Why is that italicized now? What happened? What happened? Where did it all go wrong? What have I done to make this so janky? What happened? Oh, header comes down. Ooh. It's a cyan jump scare. 16. Yeah, that does still provide the empty space. Acceptable. Downright acceptable. Oh, all of these are numbered now. Amazing. I remembered. Like, that sounds like it's maybe a bit overhyping it. But then I remember, no, it's actually not because I used freaking Windows 10 for like 10 years. So it's not actually that untrue. Acceptable knowledge of web development. I'll say reasonable. Anything else? 10+ years of experience. What's a plus? Actually, it's probably more like 15 now. Many videos. 3D. Image editing. Marketing. Which sounds like it's not true until you realize it actually is. Why are you doing that? What is so special about that? You need to go like now? Nope. It's like a logical operation. Why can't I just put it where I want it to be? Is it because there's a page break in between? Is that it? Insert. That should work. Because now it's not inserted. There we go. It's a new one. Something else I have experience with. Learning. Or trainability, I suppose. Perfect. I took Spanish 1 3 times. Don't ask. Actually, 4 if you count the first one, which is like 4 if you count the first one. Yeah, 4 if you count the first one. Hit 3 separate times and didn't sue the school system. Wow. Very trainable. I use Vivaldi browser. I use an esoteric and complex web browser. And currently have how many tabs? $131 tabs open. Containing assorted wisdom and intellect. Did you know sour cream is literally sour cream? cream that has gone sour. That kind of thing. Yep, gotta go like this. Um, Following directions. Memorizing directions. I still remember how to quit match of Super Smash Bros. Brawl on the Wii. Ten years later. Actually, it's probably closer to like 13-ish. Why? Oh, there we go. I found it. It's because there's an extra enter. What? 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 Overwhelming patience. I know what to do. I'll just. True. Sometime I waited for a really long time. I once spent like that, like that. 3 hours being berated for no reason. On the internet. Should add periods to all of these. I'm still waiting. Mm, I tolerate incompetence exceptionally well. I have 5 siblings. Parentheses, management material. Then what next? What else? Get rid of that. Go like that. Well, now I think I'm gonna keep. I think I'm gonna do another page, just so it loops back around to being awful with the yellow on cyan. That kind of thing, but worse. Just do ETC, but worse. I should put that over here. Overwhelming patience. And I still don't know Spanish, by the way. So don't ask. Time and into it. The nuances. Later. I should say terminals. Because that scares people. What are we looking at? No. My sensitivity is super low. I need at least one more category. I don't know what to put here. I don't know what to put here. I don't know what to put here. Enjoyer. Then I'll go like this. Enter again. say I don't need to explain this one. I will not elaborate. Without being hired. Programming, I suppose, should probably be here. Programming. I learned programming in a year, nonstop. Like, it was brutal. It was brutal. I was going through some stuff at the time, but we're not going to talk about that. I just want to get this freaking flake. Okay, I got it. Java, Python. C, and several variants. That's another one I know. .NET. .NET framework. Docker. I'll just put in more. in which my life was falling apart. And now move on to weaknesses. I'm not gonna comment on that, which I have just seen. I will not elaborate without being hired. And now we're back into the yellow space, which is a big yikes. At least it should be for everyone. Control Enter. No. Why? Why are you doing that? Why is everything shifted? Wait. What? What? This is why we save. This is why we save. Where did I put that? That file. True. I will not elaborate unless you're going to hire me. Sorry. It's just the way it is. It's for my own privacy. Because it's making a new header up here as well. That's what it is. That's what it is. Yeah, because the header is there. Do I need a header? If I'm gonna do the same thing, I probably should have a header. I'm too broke to even hire myself. True. True. I don't know what to do about this then. Page style. No, that's worse. I just want to add a footer to this page. I don't care about the last one. I can make a new style, but that's kind of silly, isn't it? Style name, that's fine. Dude, I just need a new page. I can edit the yellow style. Organizer, next style. Default. Default page style. Properties, no. Word count. We got 4,000 words. No, 4,000 characters. 4,700 characters, including spaces. 825 words. Over 3 pages. Styles. Here we go. Here we go. This is where I want to be. So then I come over here to page styles. And then I'll do new. And we'll call it to cyan. Area, color, cyan, duh. What? Come on. Come on, man. Oh, I just... Nope, it didn't work. One magenta. One yellow. Default. Edit page break. Area. Nope. One yellow, edit style. Oh, next style. Next style, I need to go like that. Do cyan. There we go. Header to cyan. It does not edit the header of one cyan. Epic. Okay. Flaws. Major character flaws. Naturally, I would put them where they are the hardest to read. Page style. Pattern, footer, borders, columns. 2. That's not where it needs to be. It needs to be higher. Attributes. A. What do I start with? Where to begin, really? Where to begin? Abrasive. There we go. Yellow. No. Big personality. I'll put that in quotes. Sometimes unfriendly. When that freaking wellspring of patience is gone, it's over for whoever has basically destroyed it. Yeah, we could just have that big personality. So we'll go. I can't just outright remove someone's sense of self-worth. It's pretty brutal. Snappy dresser. We'll include that with abrasive. Make it yellow. Enter. Clear direct formatting. That. That. That's a different yellow, isn't it? No, it's the same yellow. So hard to tell though. What next? Oh, I gotta include noteworthy superiority complex. It's not like too big of a deal, but to exclude it is a disservice to anyone that would hire me. I will put in parentheses. I did make this, after all. Okay, so what do I put here? Edgy. I did make this after all. Sense of humor. Filled to the brim. With hyperbole. Unrelenting. And filled to the brim with hyperbole. It is nonstop. will inevitably make someone uncomfortable. Um, even if it's not on purpose. Actively increases your ESG score. Or reduces your company's ESG score. It's not that bad once you get used to it, but getting used to it is abhorrent. Dramatically. Not hyperbole in parentheses. No, that's not necessary. I could go like that, and that might make it a little bit easier to read, but I don't think so. I'm not going to comment on that, even though it's very, very relevant right now. Even if it did like just come out, basically. What do I need now? It's like I can be abrasive, I can be edgy. What are some of my other worst characteristics? Did you hear the one about the priest and the rabbi? Sure, I'll say that. That should be a sub thing here. I'll capitalize them both. Even though I don't want to. Stuff like that. Stuff like that. It's little and it's constant. I.e., did you hear the one about the priest and the rabbi? Dramatically.
It is a really funny joke, though. It is a really funny joke. I'm not gonna say it here. But it is a pretty good joke as far as they go. Anyway, next.
It's another category. Oh, wait. Does this think that this is all one list? It does think that it's all one list. That's terrible. How do I separate them? How to change list colors by page.
That's really bad. I could just make them black, actually. That would make sense. It's still atrocious, but it's not nearly as bad. But I guess that's okay. It's gonna look like this.
So, there's something there. I kind of vibe with it. I can't get over this freaking line. I can't get over this one line. Like, that is my real height. I can provide eyewitness testimony. Or I can provide witness testimony upon request. I'm not going to give you proof. I'm going to give you freaking witness testimony. What does that mean? What does that mean? It's brilliant. It's brilliant. It's brilliant. It's so clear, but so vague at the same time. It's like, why the frick would this guy not want to provide proof of his height? Why do I have to go talk to somebody else to get it? I have to go talk to somebody else to get this guy's freaking height. He will direct me somewhere else. That's hilarious. I like all of these brief notes, actually. I actually do want to change this to state asylum. It's just like penitentiary. It's a bit long and stuff. An asylum, given some of this other stuff, like, I think that it's a good transition. Because, like, you read this, and you're like, okay, this is basically a PSA. It gets a public service announcement, and that's fine. Then you go here. It's like, now that I have your attention, here's my proper resume. Name, address. Like, yeah, that's obviously a joke. Obviously a joke, because it's not entirely relevant. Like, okay. He's yanking my chain. That's okay. Education. Then we, like, dip our toe in just a little bit to the absolute absurdity of this. But also, it's very real. It's very real, because, like, obviously this guy's not an idiot. Because he did make this. It's like, oh, it's like, oh, well, obviously he's somewhat capable, and he's just making fun of me. He's just making fun of me. Experience. It's like it's like, okay, but like it doesn't really mean experience. Like, the experience is obviously real. The company's fake. Like, okay, schizo, my mind company. Recognize patterns well and may cause upset. No, I should put and causing upset. I just do. I just do. That's better. Obviously, he's just saying stuff. But then you get down to the brief notes. And it marks the turning point. So these photos are edited from a brief stay at a state asylum. It's probably not real. It's probably not real. It's like the dent occurred in between pictures and has healed. That's pretty funny, but it makes sense. But then it's like, that is my real height. I can provide witness testimony upon request. I can. Not I might. I can. Then we get here and it's more normal crap. 3D modeling, image editing. Experience with internet psychological manipulation and operations. Anyone with extensive knowledge would know that. Like, that's okay. MK Ultra Lamau. Can generally learn something new after hearing it one time and intuit the nuances later. Esoteric and complex web browser and have 131 tabs open containing assorted wisdom and intellect. Let's just grab a random one. This is the one I grabbed. This is the one I grabbed. But they don't know that. Like, esoteric web browser. I use a browser called Vivaldi. It's not that esoteric, but like, they don't know that. This is a company I am talking to. Therefore, they think that esoteric means Firefox. Vivaldi, which is the browser that I use, might as well be black magic. Did you know sour cream is literally just sour cream? It's literally just cream that has gone sour, etc., but far worse. Implying that there's more forbidden knowledge that I possess. By memorizing directions. I still remember how to quit a match of Super Smash Bros. Brawl on the Wii 13 plus years later. That is true. I took Spanish 1 3 separate times and didn't sue the school system. Looking back, I probably should have. But whatever. I once spent 3 hours being berated on the internet for no reason. It was that one time that I got, like, really rated, and it was, like, pathetic. It was pathetic, okay? I'm still waiting for my prayers to be answered after 6+ years. I tolerated competence exceptionally well. I have 5 younger siblings. Read, and management material. Enjoyer. I will not elaborate without being hired. Programming. I know HTML5, Java, Python, C, and several variants, .NET Framework, and more. I learned programming in a year-long manic depressive episode, which is fine, but like ridiculous at the same time. Like nobody does that. Nobody does that. I should put, no, I can't put anything else. That's okay. I'm gonna get rid of .NET Framework and just put and more.
On a now defunct project. You cannot see. 8 personality. When the aforementioned wellspring of patience is gone, I can annihilate someone's sense of self-worth. That is true. It's pretty brutal. I am a snappy dresser. If I actually bother to go buy clothes, which I'm probably gonna end up having to do at some point. Eventually. My style is pretty ballin'. And this stuff, and then we're down here. Something more absurd, but in the same vein. The inquiry, because I don't really know what to put here. I should make the dots white. That's what I should do. There we go. Custom color. That's kind of terrible. Yeah, we'll keep that. That's better. I don't know. And then I'll do like watermarks or something for each page because it's funny. I think I know what to use. I think it'd be funny. Just like really, really transparent. Like, you know, like barely visible. What else is negative about? What should I put here? I should put personal, no, personal health. And then I'll put none of your business. That's pretty funny. Minor and none of your business. Let's put them separately. What's a quick one-line one? Just something ridiculous that I can put. Prejudices. Association. Gotta make it smaller. Like 10. 10.5. 11. 12. And I'll just say see above. Or see page 1. No, I shouldn't include that. I shouldn't include that. If I do want to get hired. Like I would send this thing in. This is my actual resume. But business style. Criminal worm tongue. Lord of the Rings. What's his name? Oh, that's spelled with a G and a funny I. Yep. Business style, fictitious character. Wikipedia article is surprisingly long. By the way.
Okay, I need more about myself, more negative traits.
I should put in here. Could also be good. No. Mm, other phobias. Yeah, this will be funny because I can work in some crazy crap here. I could put some crap here. Because you think, no phobias, epic. Existentialism. Living. Existentialism. The future. The present. No, I should do this the other way around. The past. The present. The future. Existential themes, I should say. Loneliness. Being around the wrong people. We'll say rejection. They're not really true, but this person doesn't even know that. Uh-oh. How do I move it back up? Why is it low? Is it because the space in between lines is too much? Rejection. More. We'll say many more. Practically lock me in a room and tell me to work. Wait for writing. Come on. This is hilarious. What should I put here? Personality traits. Did I already do personality traits? It did do that. Devil's advocate. I'll say excellent. Devil's advocate. Maybe too good. I should put periods at the end of all of these. Keep the structure. Predictable values. constructively and deconstructively. Obviously. Then I need a couple more. Depressive. Maniacal. Like a villain. We already covered that. Grandiose. Superlative. That's an adjective. That really help here. That's just an adjective. Was it 4 pages? Yeah, we're 4 pages deep. We've come back around to saying. Almost done. Just need some more adjectives. You got any adjectives? Any cool adjectives that are funny? Then I think I've got a really good idea for a watermark that I can just put over the whole thing. Just really, really lightly, so you can't tell if it's there or not. A little bit of subliminal messaging, you know? It's a little bit easier to read. It's like, it's crazy. When you look at different parts of it, it makes your eyes burn in different places. Oh, I should add eccentric. Anything that might describe me. Brooding. I'm quite polite. Not polite. In a way. A charming way. Rude in a very polite way.
There we go. I need probably 2 more. 3 more. 2 more. And we're done. Machiavellian. No, that's covered. That's covered here. What is that? What is that? There, I got rid of it. But at what cost? Everything. There we go. What the heck was that character? I don't even know. I literally have no idea what that character was. Anyway. Sycophant. No, that's covered. I already said that. I already said that. Hmm.
Likes dried meats. Is it a notable character trait? No, but it's excellent filler. Thinker. Let's put thinker. Self-described. Perfect. That's it. Save. Just to 100%. Now I look. I don't want to use text. I should actually. I should put Telegram user. I don't actually use Telegram, but I have it installed, and it's funny. Okay, so in order to add a proper watermark, like an image watermark, I have to go extract. Format page. Page style, I guess. Now, accessibility check. No, thank you. No, thank you. Bullets and numbering. Image? No. That's actually 2024. Status of the accessibility check. Number of issues found 360. The hex formatting conveys additional meaning. Yeah. Yeah, it does. What's your point? Text contrast is too low. That's epic. A lot of text contrast too low. That's the point, though. So that is the point. You found it. Thanks, LibreOffice Writer. Very cool.
Over 1,000 words. Almost 6,000 characters.
Much formatting. I like it. I think it's good. Bookmark, formatting mark. No break space, non-breaking hyphen, soft hyphen. I guess there's stuff there. That's cool. Can I search?
Format. Page style. No, but it's not that. Classification watermark. Nope. Watermark text documents. No. Layout. Watermark. Oh, that's... No. I guess I can't do it. I could do it differently. I could do it differently, but I don't think it's worth it. We're just gonna save this. And be done. So, I think I'm gonna head out now. I think that's it for today. We're already 4 pages. For something that takes most people 1 page at most. We've already got an exceptional number of pages. A fair bit of this, though, is actual information. I'm kind of surprised. Anyway, you heard the other day I referenced doing an e-dating stream with this abomination. Absolute mega abomination. That's probably what the dating stream will be called if it happens. If it happens, that's probably what it will be called. It's just super mega abomination. Because I think that's kind of funny. It's actually a plan that's been in the works for a bit. Let me see. Nope, that's blank. Let me try and find it real quick. I don't remember where it is. I'm going to hide this for a moment. To attempt, for once, to keep my private files private. Crazy. Well, I already got freaking doxxed by freaking Windows, so. Thanks, Bill Gates. That's why I don't pay for Windows. That's literally why I don't pay for Windows. Literally why I don't pay for Windows. Just... I also have to maybe give myself a little bit more success. I also made this on stream.
If it's gonna happen, I'm gonna try my very hardest to make it work. I actually made this during a stream where I was basically just watching TV from around the world, which is a pretty odd stream in and of itself. Very strange stream. Very strange block of streams. I also took an autism test the day before. I think it was the day before. Just to be sure. Shockingly, it came back negative. It did come back negative. I am not autistic. I might be insane differently, for example, but we'll see. We'll see. That is why it's going to be called Super Mega Abomination. I hope it happens. I hope it happens because it'd be funny. Because it would be funny. What more can I ask for? What more can I ask for than being entertaining on the internet? Apparently, theoretically, it wouldn't be that hard. Could ask for a little bit more. But yeah. I've been diving deep into the Nier lore, so I can kind of justify this to myself as not being weird. This guy might be a little strange, but I'm not that weird. So all of a sudden, in your mind, I can feel it. The resume is clicking in there. Yeah, maybe next week, maybe like Wednesday. I don't know. In time. In time. And that's actually. But no, that is text. Anyway. It's amazing what some office equipment can do. Amazing what some office equipment can get you. Don't stupid requirement. Choice. Be self. Impossible. Do not explain curse knowledge. Time. Invite to stream. Success. It's pretty simple, but when I made it, I saw finding some confidence in it possible. So maybe tomorrow. No, not tomorrow. As War Thunder's April Fool's event starts tomorrow. And it's allegedly going to be pretty freaking big. So maybe Wednesday. Maybe Wednesday. Maybe Thursday. Maybe Friday. Friday might be better. Saturday might be better for that. I don't know. I don't even know if I'm going to happen. I don't even know if it's going to happen. I'll probably get embarrassed, and then I won't say anything about it for like a month, and you can never expect it after that. It's pretty dark in here. In here. We will see. We will see. We will see. The turning point. The turning point in the stream. Probably for the worst. Almost certainly for the worst. Well, I'm glad. Because up here, it doesn't stop.
I like to think that I bring a certain energy to a group of that people that are overweight can't keep up with. I think I do a pretty good job at it, even if it's not really on purpose. What's going on Steam, actually? The release of a minor update. What does this mean? Very large scale closed beta test of infantry will begin. I thought the last couple major updates have been pretty lackluster, not gonna lie. But also, tomorrow's April 1st. So we'll see. The biggest prank of all, the biggest prank of all would be if it was real. That would be the biggest prank of all. Because they've got big plans for this year in the past, so who the frick knows? We'll definitely be trying it out. I'm pretty hyped for it. I'm pretty freaking hyped for it. But I hope it's real. I really hope it's real. And not just like nonsense. Because it's like I get it, it's April Fool's, but it's kind of gotten to the point, I saw someone point out, it's kind of gotten to the point where they put more effort into the April Fool's updates than the actual game in some cases. So literally, maybe it is just an update because it says it's large scale closed beta. I don't know. More on it tomorrow. Looks pretty based if you ask me, but like even submarines first got tested as an April Fool's event. And they've said that in time they do intend to add submarines. They also said at some point that they will not add infantry combat or thunder, as it is a vehicle experience. Who the frick knows? It's gonna be crazy. I just hope it's good. Because then, basically, that would make War Thunder probably one of the more definitive gaming experiences out there. I've also seen people say it's just Enlisted but modern. But who knows? Because Enlisted is also basically reaching its max content. Like, they're almost out of World War II content for Enlisted. They're almost out of World War II content, so I don't freaking know. I don't know, but it's gonna be fun. See you tomorrow. Follow or don't every day at or around 1 p.m. PST. Share, host, whatnot, etc. Have a good one. Have a good one. This week is gonna be crazy. It's gonna be crazy. I can feel it, and we're not even done with it yet. Like, it's Monday. It's Monday. Anyway, see ya. Have a good one.